guys, welcome back to my channel. Pleasure to have you all here with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make Guyanese style bora and chicken or Chinese long bean. To get started, I have my bora already chopped and I already went ahead and seasoned my chicken. I will be using some potatoes, thyme, parsley, green onions. I have regular onions, some tomatoes, tomato sauce, garlic, ginger, some brown sugar, and for the seasoning I have bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So let me show you how I season my chicken. First, I washed it up in lemon juice, and I'll be using some of my fresh green seasoning as well as some chicken seasoning, seasoned salt, bouillon, complete seasoning, and some black pepper. So the first thing you want to do is just add all of the seasoning to the chicken, and I go in with about 2 tablespoons of my fresh green seasoning. Mix well and set aside. Allow this to marinate for about, let's say, 20 minutes to an hour. To a pot, I've been preheating some oil. Now we'll add our brown sugar, allow that to caramelize. Once it reaches a nice dark brown color, we'll add our chicken and allow the chicken to sit in there for about a minute or so. After about a minute, we will now add our tomato sauce. Give this a good stir. Then we'll sit the lid on and allow it to cook until all of the juices release. Once the juices release, we'll allow the juices to evaporate before we move on to the next step. And just a quick reminder, you can use browning sauce or chief Chinese sauce, even some cast rib to brown your chicken. You don't have to caramelize your sugar. Now once the chicken release all of its juices, this is how it should look. And you want to allow all those juices to evaporate. Once it evaporates, now we will officially start cooking. So we'll add our bora here. We'll go in with our potatoes. Basically, we're adding everything here. You want to add everything as well as your seasonings and all that good stuff. And we'll add a little bit of water just to get things going. For me, I don't like my bora. Most of my vegetables, I don't like it dry. I like a little bit of sauce to it. So I'm going to add some water so that this can get going and it can create a nice sauce. So we will cover it once all the ingredients are added and allow it to simmer on medium to low heat until everything is nice and tender and it, cooks to suit our preference. After about 20 minutes, everything should be perfectly cooked. And that's it, guys. This is basically how I make my bora with chicken. It's absolutely delicious and I hope you all give it a try. Now let me plate it up and show you all the finished product. So I did pair this up with some brown rice, but you can also have it with roti, mashed potatoes, or even some ground provisions, and it should be superb. I hope you all give the recipe a try, like I said. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box. And I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, mwah, enjoy.